Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore offline conversions using Salesforce Marketing Cloud step by step clearly. To restore offline conversions using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, start by logging into your Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Audience Builder section in the platform. From here, select the data extension where your offline conversion data is stored. Ensure that the data fields match the required schema for your conversion data. Next, click on the Import option available in the data extension. Choose the file that contains your offline conversion records. Map the fields in your file to the corresponding fields in the data extension. Review the mapping to ensure all fields align correctly. After confirming the mapping, initiate the import process by clicking on Next. Choose how you want to handle duplicate records during the import. Once you finalize your settings, begin the import by clicking Import. Monitor the progress in the activity log for any errors or warnings. After the import is complete, return to the Audience Builder. Go to the Data Filters section to segment your audience based on the imported offline conversions. Set up the necessary filters to identify the customers who completed conversions. Once your filters are set, create the corresponding journeys or campaigns. To ensure the conversions are accurately attributed, check the tracking and analytics reports. Take note of any discrepancies and adjust as needed. With the offline conversions successfully restored, you can now leverage this data for future marketing initiatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.